First day of October. Papa. 5:47. 5:47 na guys. And ito, kailangan ko na siyang gisingin kasi may make-upan ko pa siya. Papa, get ready. Mama gonna put lipstick. Ooh. Papa. Good morning. Ako nakaligo na ako. Papa. Uy. Hello, baby. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, baby. Wake up. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Dito kami. Good morning. Now we're gonna put makeup on. Yeah, excited? Yeah. Si Chona sa baba na. Tapos na ako mag-BS. Ito yung aking OOTD. Pero papatungan ko to ng t-shirt. Yung parang loose lang na t-shirt. Ito ang pampatong ko. Baba, okay. Get up na.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Pull the sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find me. You don't have to remind me I'm doing nothing at all. I'm ruminating on a blank wall, but I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? I just feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go?
겨울이 오길 기다리는 아이처럼 내 맘에 널 그려 포근했던 나의 온기 눈을 닮아서 You're falling quietly piling up in my heart 우리 안의 모든 것 fade out 된 것처럼
be black all over that place.
Of course it's got black. He got cat black.
Look like, just look up. Yes, look up.
미칠 듯 보고 싶은 날 안아줄 거야.
If I ever said enough times I can never let you go when you're not mine.
So, nakalis na tayo kila Mers and si Holy Girl. Ayan yung kanyang look. Ayan. So, binibigyan kami ng note kung anong gagawin or eto, paper. Paper. Ayan. Binibigyan kami ng instruction kung anong gagawin sa buhok at saka kung anong makeup or eyeshadow ilalagay namin sa kanila, at saka kung anong kulay ng lipstick. Naka-instruct yan dito, guys. So, yan yung finalo natin. So, yan yung kinalabasan. Okay naman, di ba, Baba? You look pretty, right? Yeah. So, dalawa yung gagawin niyang sayaw. So, nandito yung isa, yung pink. So, contemporary at saka jazz yung gagawin niya. Today, magkasunod lang yun, guys. As in, madali ang palitan. Tapos, yung book niya, straight. Ha? Yes, I got your half soul. See, Baba. So, yeah. Where's this bag, Han? No, the hype bag. Okay. Kasi yung ano niya, para dali niya. Kasi kailangan ko ito ilagay dun sa bag niya. And kagabi, diba? Alas 2 na kami natulog. So, ang tulog ko lang is siguro 4 to 3, 4, 5, 3.5 hours. Kasi meron kaming tinatawag dito na daylight savings. So, parang nabawasan kami ng 1 oras na tulog. So, mas more, na kami, more, tawag nun? More daylight. So, gets nyo ba? Basta, nabawasan na kami ng 1 tulog. So, dapat ngayon, pa lang, 6:15. Pero, ang oras is 7:50 na kasi nga, nabawasan na kami ng 1 oras. Si Holland, tulog niya siguro 5 hours lang. Kasi laro siya ng laro. Ayaw niya pang matulog. So, sabi ni Jen, matulog ka na kasi may sayaw ka bukas. Wala kang energy. Buti naman nakinig siya. And nung ginising ko, hindi siya grumpy. Kasi yun ang sinabi ng daddy niya. Huwag kang magiging grumpy pag ginising ka ng maaga. Kasi ako, 5:30 ako nagising para maligo. Right, Baba? You're not tired? I am. Oh, I am the daddy. Yeah, you can sleep on the way home. Pagod daw siya.
Yeah, falling in love with you.
Dito na pala kami, guys, sa Golden Grove Recreation Center. Dito ulit gaganapin yung camp ni Holly. Last 2 years ago, dito rin yun. 2 years ago. Parang kami pa lang, hindi, ayun, meron nang naglalakad pa pasok doon. Pero parang wala pa masyadong tao. Look at you, Baba. You're shining. Look at your side.
Kili.
Look at Look at, you're shining.
Cold and dry, hot and cold.
Yeah, it's cold ngayon. Ang weird. Hindi ganun ka, but it's not that cold.
Shut the door, please.
Binila niya pala si Oli ng breakfast. Ayan yung apple juice, tsaka yung sandwich doon. Thank you. Pasot ko na sa kanya yung kanyang half soles. Halos nandito na yung kagrupo niya. Akong kinakabahan. Good luck, girls. Holly, good luck, Baba. Baba. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck, Baba. Have fun. Baba, your things are here, okay?
This is the front.
So,
See you on the side, okay?
yeah. See ya. Tapos na yung first. Next na yung nagtatakbuhan kami dito para tulungan sila. Ito na yung next nilang susuotin. We have to remove this. we can go and watch the game. And then we have to put the... This one, baby.
No, you can take it. Yeah, take it home. Did you want to stay with us and come side stage with me? Or do you want to go out into the audience and watch? You can hang out with us if you want. I'd like to go watch from the audience. Stay with us? Totally fine. Yep, come and hang out with us.
Cool.
Look at you, good to go.
Oh, that one's not ours. Okay. Look. This is our second. Straight natin yung book ni Huli.
Come close a little. No, closer to the hair straight back because it's...
Can you see part of it? Mother! Oh, good.
Normally don't have to straighten your hair, it's normally dead.
Oh, this one? Right.
Lily, you've got to move closer to the table. I can't reach.
Oh, this one.
What, darling? A bit too long?
Yeah, but they fit. Yeah, everybody's using everything.
Just give your hair a bit of volume. I know, so it sits like a bit better.
Wait a second.
There you go, that'll do. That's alright, yeah. If you tease it at the bottom, do you want me to show you? I just do it like this because she's just done, my hair was like this when I was a little girl. You just give it lots of volume and just gives it a little bit of volume for it to sit. Look at that.
Yeah, that's
Perfect.
straight na. Good luck.
겨울이 오게 기다리는 아이처럼 내 맘에 널 그려 포근했던 나의 온기 눈을 닮아서 Falling quietly piling up in my heart 우리 안에 모든 것 fade out 된 것처럼 너와 나의 as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Tapos na, go Daddy! Tell Daddy! First place and second place. And second place.
I can kiss you now because it's not perfect. What do you want? What do you want? What do you
Can
want?
we go to Hungry Jack's just there?
What do you want to get? The one at
Yeah.
Bridge.
Hi.
She's so hungry. Siya naman kay Huli. Punta sila ng Hungry Jacks. Nandito lang naman, oh, Hungry Jacks. Gutom na kasi ang dancer natin. Nasaan na sila? Ayan na. Ang cute. Sobrang gutom na raw siya. What did you get, Baba?
Ready,
I got 6 chicken nuggets and some chips.
Oh, good job, baby.
You might be able to
Gutom na siya. What drinks did you get?
raspberry.
Raspberry.
Sit that there like that, Bobby.
Ayan yung kanyang drinks. So, uwi na tayo. So, nanalo sila Huli. First place sila kasi dalawang dance yung ginawa nila. First place sila. Oh, what's that? First place sila sa contemporary. Second place sila sa jazz. Yung contemporary, yung naka-green si Huli, yung first na sinuot niya, yun yung first sila. Then yung second is yung naka-pink na sila. Ang ganda-ganda ng sayaw nila. Dun, lalo-lalo dun sa green, kasi medyo parang balloon-balloon siya. Ang ganda nilang tingnan, pero hindi nga pwede mag-vlog dun or kahit picture hindi pwede. So, yeah, ang ganda. Right, Baba?
Yeah.
Yeah? And siya yung nag-receive ng trophy. Kasi siya na lang yung naka-costume. Kasi yung iba nagpalit na. Si Huli kasi naiwan namin dito sa car. So, pero dala ko yung jacket niya. So, siya yung nag-receive. Pero nandun sila sa stage lahat. Ang dami. This year, parang ang daming sumali compare nung 2 years ago, nung nandito rin kami. Yeah, ang gaganda, ang cute ng mga bata, pati yung ibang mga contestant, ang gaganda ng costumes, ang gaganda ng mga yung hairstyle nila, ang gaganda. Bonggang-bongga. Right, Baba? They are all pretty, right?
I like the one that had the purple bow on it.
Yeah, ang ganda din ng mga batang yun. Yung naka-purple sila. Sayang, hindi kasi tayo pwede mag-vlog dun, guys. Pasensya. Gustuhin ko, hindi pwede talaga. Enjoy your
Food and drink.
Yeah, gutom na gutom siya. So, kakain pala tayo, magdi-dinner pala tayo kila Mel. So, we're heading home after dito. Ayan na si Jan. So, alis na tayo. Ako, I will try my best na mag-edit kasi ilang araw na naman. 3 days na tayo. Wala akong na-edit. Wala tayong vlog kasi, alam yun naman, pag may ganap talaga, hindi ko siya masingit-singit. So, yeah. Punta tayo kay La Mel tonight. And sundin din natin yung boys. Guys, akala namin kumakain si Huli. Tingnan niyo. Nakatulog siya. Hindi niya pa tapos kainin yung kanyang Happy Meal. Akala ko kumakain siya. Meron pa siyang 4 na nuggets. And yung chips, tingnan niyo. 6 to eh. Nakakain lang siyang 2 nuggets and nakatulog lang siya. Kawawa naman. Pagod na pagod talaga to kasi ilang oras lang yung tulog niya. 4 hours. Tapos ang galing niya. Grabe yung ni Huli pala guys. Grabe yung impact niya sa pag nasa stage siya. Parang anong tawag? Hindi ko alam anong words pero yung parang confident na confident siya. Yung parang nakachina. Basta, iba ang galing niya rin mag-perform. And nanood si Jan, yung second. Yung first, hindi niya napanood. Kasi parang nahihiya siyang pumasok. Ang dami namang tao. So, yung suot niya, napanood ni Jan. And galing na galing din si Jan. Siyempre, anak niya. Hindi, iba talaga yung yung pagtapo ng kamay niya. Yung niya. Basta, iba. Ang cute. Ang ganda. Yun lang, na-share ko lang. Hindi yung kasi napanood, sayang. Pero ayan, nakatulog siya. Mamaya siguro niya kainin yan. Dito pa rin kami sa nasa loob pa rin tayo ng Adelaide, guys. Hindi pa talaga kalayo sa Hungry Jacks. Katulog na siya.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening.
Tumakbo. Binablog ko siya tumakbo. Hindi ko nakunan. Ayan. Nandito kami sa Allendale. He's still asleep. Si Huli tulog po, guys. Oh, yan. Dito lang siya gumalaw. Gising na pala si Huli.
Yeah, where's your t-shirt? Here?
Yeah.
Right. Well, get changed. Move over there. What's the drink?
Mag-change lang siya. Bumili na siya ng lolis kanina. Nag-stop ulit si Jan somewhere after ng Thailand. Magbihis lang si Huli kasi naiinitan daw siya. Malamig yung hangin. Pero kasi yung side niya mainit. Wow! Ayaw niya mag-stop. Ay, sorry, Baba. Dalaga na siya.
Oh, look, people looking.
Wala. Come on, put your seatbelt. Kumakanta siya. Guys, dito na kami. Kailangan until there si Zach. Where's Kuya? Hi.
Go the wobbles.
Malapit na to. Konti na lang. Tapos na ako mag-edit. Oh my God, nag-edit the whole day. The whole travel. You say thank you, Daddy, for taking... Oh, you did. Okay.
On the computer. I know you came first.
Oh, yeah. And second. Aren't you proud? Hi. Oh, your sister. Say congratulations to your sister.
Yeah.
Hey. Shut up. Where's Kuya? Kuya, I miss you, yeah. Kuya, how about mommy? How about mommy? Doon na siya. Tignan nyo yung life ng mga bata dito kayla Auntie Mel. Ayan. And
I was watching the video.
oh yan, naglalaro. Kaya pala gustong-gusto kayla Auntie Mel. Kaya pala gusto niya na dito kay Auntie Mel magpaiwan pag nag-a-Adelaide kasi may dinownload si Auntie Mel. What do you call that? Fortnite. Ay.
When did it all presents to?
Nag-shopping na pala sila kasi yung birthday gift ni Auntie Mel kay Kuya shopping. Same as Sak. Hindi niya claim yung present ni Sak nung birthday niya kasi gusto niya sumabay dito sa dalawa. So, next weekend, right, Auntie Mel? Next weekend, siya naman shopping ni Auntie Mel for her birthday. Kuya, wow, Kuya. Nahiya siya. Kaya pala gusto mo dito. That's what you want here?
No, actually, Zach brought it up. Oh, I didn't.
Oh, really? Zachary? Okay. Oh, si Zach daw palang may, nag-ask kay Auntie Mel na i-download tong Fortnite na to. You sure? You sure? Nahiya. Alright. Congratulate mo nga. Hug her properly like Socks did. Come on, Kuya. Uy. Come on. Nahiya siya eh. Ganyan tayo siya mag-guys kahit sa So, who's this one? Is this Sak?
Hi.
Huh? Oh, is this yours? This is what you got for your birthday?
Yeah.
From Auntie Mel. Ayan yung na-shopping ni Kuya, oh.
And Zachary got that.
Oh. Wow, $80. Oh my God, that's a lot. Oh, you too. Plus, tinalikod din Kuya. So kay Kuya, ito na shopping niya. Plus, ito $30 na gift card, PlayStation. Sila na talaga. I don't know. Guys, uwi muna kami kasi maliligo si Sir kasi hindi siya naligo. And si Oris kasi
They
Kuya.
come down today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
with?
today. Grant, si Hunter tsaka si Rylan daw punta dito kasama yung isa niyang pa. Yeah, kasama yung isa niyang pa, ida-drop off kila ma'am. So baka raw pumunta sa bahay one of these days. Sabi ko, okay. Tagal na rin namin hindi sila nakikita kasi busy din sila.
No.
Si Saksong mama, do you miss mommy? No.
No, I didn't.
No, you don't.
Actually, I didn't really.
You didn't?
Really.
You didn't really? Alright.
But, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? So you don't know if you miss your mom or not?
No, I don't know if I did. I don't remember.
Oh, you don't remember. Thank you for that, Zachary. That hurts. You're welcome. Zach, did you miss mommy?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I do.
You do. Thank you. That's why you're coming with us.
When? Oh, now.
Now?
Oh, no, I just wanted a shower.
You want to have a shower? You can have a shower, Auntie Mel. Yeah. You just miss mommy. That's why you come with us. Admit it, Zach. You miss mommy.
I got here yesterday.
Okay. Baba ko lang yung mga gamit. Mga gamit, konti lang naman. Yung kay Huli lang naman. Naligo ng batang yan. Pero ang suot niya, same pa rin na damit. And, yung nakuha niya, gift card na worth $80, yan na yung ginagawa niya. That's why you come with us. Because of that.
No.
You miss me then?
No, I never said you gotta get your birthday presents.
Yeah, I know.
We went the next day.
I know what I'm saying. You come with us here today to do that one.
I wanted to have a shower.
Whatever.
I did.
Whatever. Punta na kami kina Auntie Mel and uploading na yung aking video. Oh, lukadaan. Oh, yeah. Maraming nasagasaan na kangaroo. Kasi parang ilan ng kangaroo yung nakita namin. shorts tayo kasi malamig. Yeah, it's cold. Si Jan naka-trackies pero hindi siya naka-jumper. Si Sak may dalas siyang jacket kay Kuya. Siya sa kanya.
Who's playing against TJ?
I know.
Daddy, wouldn't let me win.
Ayan, tingnan mo, kay Auntie Mel, spoiled. Labas tayo dito. Ayan yung dito nagpipizza si Auntie Mel. Ang sarap daw sabi ng kids. Ayan, diba? Parang may pizzeria si Auntie Mel. Yeah? Max is alright. May malaking aso dito pero kay Emma yun. Pinatali nila kasi nagja-jump kay Kuya. Takot yan si Kuya. Kasi nung bata si Kuya, ginump din siya ng aso. So, natakot na siya.
Mom just saying I'm going to rock this.
Okay. Ayan si Uncle Jay sa kanyang shed. Auntie Mel, look at that orange. Is that orange or mandarin? Is it good? Is it good, Auntie Mel? Oh, is that yours? You haven't tried it? Why? Ang daming orange ni Auntie Mel. Hindi niya pa raw yan na-try. So you haven't tried this one, Auntie Mel? Uncle Jess will ask Uncle Jess. Ayan yung aso pinatali nila. Hello, Doogie. Ni Uncle Jess. Okay daw. Kaso may aso. May aso. Auntie Mel, he's not gonna bite, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
He'll jump on you though.
Ayun lang nga. He doesn't see you?
Oh no, not so much now. He's okay.
Over,
I don't get no.
over the bakod tayo.
What do you want, an orange?
Yeah, I'm just gonna try. Very easy. Try lang natin. Masarap siya. Matamis. And juicy. Yung mga bata naglalaro ng footy with daddy. Pagod na yan si Jan. Gusto niya nang matulog after niya maligo. Baka talunan na ako. Kukuha pa ako. Ang sarap. He's not gonna jump, Uncle Jess? Yeah, nagja-jump yan Ayan, kumaulit ako I'm gonna eat it, Auntie Mel. Kumaulit ako ng 3. Dami doon na bunga. Ayan yung aming dinner for tonight. Nag-bake din si Auntie Mel na. What's the Auntie Mel? Baked potato bake. Jan's favorite. Yum, 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 yum. So, eto yung orange ni Auntie Mel. Tanim nila to, guys. Ayan, ang juicy. Di ba yung mga bata, gustong-gusto nila yung orange? Ayan, ang sarap, matamis. Tingnan niyo sila, Ayan yung pagkain ni Auntie Mel dito, Snack ng mga bata. Di ba? Parang may anak si Auntie Mel. Do you have kids, Auntie Mel?
No.
Dami yung snacks. Ayan yung dinner namin. Ubus ko yung 3 kinuha ko. So, naka-4 akong orange. Ang tamis din kasi. Tsaka juicy siya. Ito na yung dinner ni Auntie Mel.
What are they, Mom? Chicken.
Chicken.
Dito rin si M. Ayan yung bake. So, kain na kami. Ito na yung dinner ni Auntie Mel.
What are they, Mom? Chicken.
Chicken.
Dito rin si M. Ayan yung bake. So, kain na kami. Kay Huli to. And yung boys, ayun na. Don't make a mess, ha? Wow. Thanks. You're welcome. So, kain muna kami, guys. Ayan sila. Okay, here. Ito yung akin. Si Jen. Antok na siya. Tapos na kayo kumain. Mini-measure sila dun, Meron na mark na nilalagay doon si Auntie Mel. Tapos pag pupunta sila dito, I think once a year, mini-measure sila kung nag-grow na sila. Masarap ng dinner namin. Tingnan nyo.
No. Actual.
Meron silang dessert na sila. And si Holly nasa computer ni Auntie Mel. Laptop. What you have? Paddle pop?
Watch me. Look how bad I am.
Is it good? Si Sak ito. Yung
Watch me, look how bad I am.
Calipo. Is it good, this one? Hoy, watch out for Auntie Mel's paperworks there, ha? Si Kuya andoon. Nanood sila na ang rugby ata yan. Yan si Kuya. What you got? Yeah, rainbow. What's the flavor of rainbow? Emma said. Bahay na pala kami, guys. And si Auntie Mel, meron siya ditong pineapple and watermelon. Kasi Sak, eto, gusto ni Sak to. Pineapple, si Kuya naman watermelon. Oh. Pinadala niya yung tira. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Si Jan sobrang pagod. Kasi kahapon, di ba, umalis kami kahapon, maaga din, mga 10 ata yun. Tapos, gumising si Jan ng alas 2 para fishing para makauwi siya ng maaga. Tapos drive ka sa Adelaide. Then, gising na naman maaga kanina at pauwi naman dito. So, sobrang pagod si Jan. Kahit ako nga pagod, lalo na si Jan. How about you? Are you pagod? Tired? Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because I've been dancing.
Alright. Okay, we're gonna close the vlog. Say thanks, Daddy!
Thanks, Daddy, for taking me up to Adelaide for my concert.
No, come.
Come.
Yeah, okay. Yan na guys yung vlog.
I hope you enjoyed our vlog. So please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog.
Good night. Good night, guys. Thank you.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.